Nicky at Revious Customs. Today we're having a look at a new product from Polymaker. It's called PolyTerra. Now this filament is designed to be a biodegradable filament, and also the box and the spool are made from recycled cardboard. So they wanted us to do a bit of a hot rod project with this filament, and we came across this model here on Thingiverse. It's made by Advanced DVB. We've done a bit of a remix on it. We've done different rims, changed up the engine a little bit, done a grill, just a little few touches to make it more of a Polymaker car. So before we show you a bit what we printed, here's a little bit more about the filament itself. So the filament is designed to be a cost-effective filament at $20 US a spool. As I said before, it's a recycled box and spool. And every single box roll of filament that's sold, a new tree is planted. They also have it's also got a matte finish to it, which is nice to see, and easy support removal. And they're claiming that it's tougher than PLA, which I'm not so sure whether it's their brand or just a generic brand or not. Now it comes in a range of colours. You've got cotton white, charcoal black, fossil grey, sapphire blue, forest green, lava red, savanna yellow, orange, lavender purple, arctic teal, and then they've got a pastel range which is candy, mint, peach and banana. So for the colours we picked up was the cotton white, charcoal black, the arctic teal, and we just sort of got a little bit of a range that we knew. We picked the arctic teal because that's close to their colour, their brand colour. Alright, so here are the printed results in the end. Got our rear wheels here, branding printed into it. Might be a little bit hard to see maybe on camera. The black has come out fabulous. I can't get over how smooth the black has come out. Normally the black's one of the colours that you sort of have a bit of hit and miss. The rim here printed in the cotton white, printed really nicely. And then the one colour they sort of had a little bit of issue with the grey. I don't know, just wasn't right. I don't know whether because I've been playing around with them, but humidity is sort of playing a part because it's quite humid here at the moment. So we printed the grill with the Polymaker logo in there. We just glued the two together. Then the motor here itself, branded with the PolyTerra logo and the rocker covers here. And then we tried printing the seat with the speed holes in it. On a thin layer, it came out okay, but it's a little bit funky when it gets closer up. Probably a little bit to do with my settings, but this is only about 2 walls thick. So then we printed a solid one, which came out a lot nicer as well. As you can see here, we've got little headlights in here as well, and so we just need to get this all glued together now and see what it looks like. So this is the glue here that we've been using on a lot of our stuff. It's a thick gap filler which works really well for the PLA prints because you've got little layer lines, so it helps fill in those layer lines and gives you a really nice bond without it running everywhere. So you only really need a small dab of the stuff and it's really good. We'll start with the engine, just dab a little bit around there. Engine sits in, make sure it's squared. Now we do have an activator as well, but we haven't really been using the activator because it dries pretty quickly anyway with how hot it is here. Alright, so we have some time for the glue to dry now. I'm going to try to get these wheels fitted up. So sort of you just got to squeeze these and push them in. Back's a little bit tight, but it'll free up. So that's our finished result. It's quite a cool looking little hot rod. We'll put the files up on Thingiverse as well because obviously this has been a little bit remixed. The original one was designed for Duplo, but we decided to scale it up. I think we scaled it up about 60% or something like that. We were going to go bigger, but we decided we didn't want to go too crazy, but we may, with what's left, we may print up a bigger one. But I really am liking this matte finish on it. It's got a nice result to it, especially the tyres. The tyres look amazing in this matte black rather than everything being glossy. Now if you guys want to pick up some of this filament, we do have a discount code which they've sent us so you guys can use. The discount code is going to be RevXS, which will give you 10% off any roll. I believe it should be off on the whole order. I'm not sure if it's just one roll or on a whole order. It's good till the 31st of December 2021, and it's available in the US and the EU warehouse. Obviously there's no Australian warehouse, sorry for you guys that are local to me, but at the price it is at $20 US, I think it's a pretty affordable price for such a product that's, you know, it's something good for the environment, whereas most filaments now, people sort of just throw the excess off away, which technically now you could grind it up and you could chuck it in your garden and have a little pot and it'll degrade back in. So until the next video, have a good one.